So I'm almost done with my hair. I know you see it. First time, baby. And guess what? I ain't bald headed no more. Oh no, 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 honey. Okay.
Flip my shit up on LinkedIn and I 192. Forever right and ever biting, ain't shit else to do. Hoping to battle, but most MCs ain't ready yet. But if they utter one word, then this is good as set. You have MCs dropping bombs, that's incredible.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tamika, and I'm back at it again with another video. This is gonna be a tutorial on faux locks. I did these myself. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. See you soon. Okay guys, so basically I just parted my hair into these little small braids with an eco styler gel. I'm gonna have the one that I use listed in the description down below. So small little sections. Okay, now let's get into the fun part. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my crochet hook. Okay, I'm gonna take my hair, put the crochet needle through the braid, through the little braid that I did. Now I'm taking the lock, the loop that's in the lock, I'm putting it through the crochet hook, and I'm gonna pull that through my hair. Guys, I hope I'm making sense. Okay, now with the little loop that I have, I'm gonna take the lock, okay, and the braid, and I'm gonna put that through the loop. All right, I hope y'all saw what I did there. I took the lock and the braid and I put it through the loop. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did again on another one. Okay guys, so I have my little braid and my crochet hook. I'm gonna put my fingers through the loop, okay, and the lock through the loop. I'm gonna grab that braid and put my crochet hook through the braid, put the loop inside of that little latch hook, and I'm gonna close the latch, pull it through, and I'm gonna take my hair, my real natural hair, and the lock, and I'm gonna put that through the loop and pull. Okay, I'm gonna pull. You want to make sure you pull, especially if you have short hair, because you want to make sure this is secure. Girl, you don't want your locks falling out when you're shaking your hair and stuff, because that's not cute. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically do the same thing that I just did with another section, but I'm gonna fast forward it. And this is basically a repetitive process, guys. Once you get the hang of it, it's so easy and quick, okay? And pull it through, girl, pull it through. So I'm almost done with my hair. I know you see it. First time, baby. And guess what? I ain't bald headed no more. Oh no, 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 honey. Okay. Edges.
Boy, if you don't...
Just wait till I do my... I don't even got baby hairs. Okay guys, so basically for this step, you're gonna see me use some water wave hair to wrap around the lock. Guys, that's what's gonna give you the distressed bohemian look. So I'm gonna take the water wave hair and I'm gonna start wrapping at the root. Now when I start wrapping at the root, I make sure that the wrap is very tight, because I want the roots to look neat, and then I want the rest of the locks to look very distressed and bohemian. You know, that's the look we going for, ladies. That's the look we going for. So that's what we're gonna do. So at the top, you know, after I make sure that I've wrapped it enough, I'm satisfied with the way that it looks, I'm gonna start kind of just being a little messy with it. Okay, you just want to wrap, and you want to make sure that the wrap is tight. Okay, you don't want this to unravel, because we're not going to be burning the ends or anything. So you want to make sure that this is tight. I repeat. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I finished wrapping all of my locks. Okay, I know your hands hurt. I know your fingertips is burning, but hang in there, ladies. Hang in there with me because we got 2 more steps and then we're done. All right, 2 more steps. Guys, I'm loving the way that this turned out. This was my first time doing this, by the way. Okay, now I'm gonna take a hard bristled brush and I'm just gonna brush through those locks. Okay, this kind of, if you want it to look a little bit more distressed and be a little extra like your girl, then you go ahead and do this step, but it's really not needed. I personally just think that, you know, it gives it that distress. All right, so I'm just gonna do that throughout the whole entire hair. And I really don't have, I just, you know, take little small sections, as you can see, and I just brush through the hair. All right. There are so many ways that you can style these locks. So let me know in the comment section down below if you want a video on how I've been styling them so far. I love them. I feel like a goddess. Like, I'm just feeling myself right now. You feel me? I'm feeling myself, okay? Period. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. I went in with a brush and kind of just brushed it just so I can make it, you know, look very distressed and bohemian. Now, after I did that, I greased my scalp with this peppermint oil. They have this, I know they have this at Dollar Tree, but I got mine at the beauty supply store, and it was like $1.50. It's really good. Like, this is my first time using this oil, and my scalp, ciao. Okay, I haven't had hair in a long time, so my scalp is killing me right now, but this, like, you literally feel the cool sensation. I love it. And then now I'm gonna go in with this Style and Shine foaming mousse, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of that and just put it on my hair, and I'm done. Really, I'm gonna try to focus it on like the roots. I don't want to put too much because this stuff gives your hair shine, and I'm trying to take away the shine from this hair. You just want to go like that, you know, spread it throughout the hair. I like to spread it on my hands and then spread it throughout the hair. Okay, so you do that and put a little bit up front, and then I'm done, y'all. This is the finished look. And then I'll come back on here when, you know, the face is beat. Yeah, I really like this style. It's giving me like African queen, goddess type vibes. A Haitian queen, a Haitian goddess, period. All right, so yeah, this is it, and I really like this. This is my first time doing faux locks. And I'm happy with the way it came out. This is what the ends look like. All right, guys, so you'll see me in the next clip where I come back on and my hair is nice and styled, my face is beat, edges are laid and slayed. So stay tuned. Okay, so you made it to the end of the video. I hope y'all really enjoyed this tutorial. This was my first time doing faux locks on my hair. Girl, okay, it was a little bit of a challenge, but you know, I managed to pull through, whatever. But yeah, I really love this look. This is what it looks like after 2 weeks. I personally think that faux locks look better after a couple of weeks, because then you have a little bit of new growth coming in, and it just looks a little more natural. And as you can tell from the previous clips, the shine did go away a little bit. It still is shiny, but it did go away. So I really like that. And also with the less shine, the more natural it looks. And yeah, that's what we're going for. So I hope this video was very helpful. If it was, let me know in the comment section down below. You already know how it goes, okay? So don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one, all right? Bye, stay blessed.